Hello again everyone. After a midweek break, it's time for a check of Thursday's conditions. But first, a quick look back at what Heritage Day brought to the country. And as expected, there were showers and thundershowers through the central parts, particularly over the Eastern Cape, where there were already scattered storms early in the day, and a definite clearing trend took place as the day progressed across the region. It remained mainly clear up in the north, while on the opposite side of the country it was fairly cloudy for Cape Town and some of the surrounding areas, and there were even a couple of few drops of light rain in places. Now we're expecting Thursday to bring in cloudy conditions once again over parts of the Western Cape, particularly as a cold front moves through, and along with that a little bit of light rain will be developing for some areas, spreading along the south coast later on. Partly cloudy along the eastern coastline, although remaining dry, and it's going to be a hot and dry day up in the northern parts once again. And along with those conditions, the South African Weather Service has issued a watch for a high fire danger over the northwest, parts of Gauteng as well as the Free State. KwaZulu-Natal will remain warm and dry once again, hot for the western interior where Ladysmith gets to 33 degrees. It's going to be a very warm start to the day along the east coast, many areas in the upper teens just before sunrise. A warm day expected over the Eastern Cape, lots of sunshine, 25 degrees for Grahamstown as well as Bishu. And in the Western Cape, things will be mainly dry once again, especially along the south coast and in the Karoo, but late evening rainfall will be possible for Mossel Bay, Swellendam as well as Bredasdorp. That rain may already be around in the afternoon for Cape Town and Hermanus, but as we move up the west coast, we are expecting it to be dry throughout the day, although cool and windy, especially in Alexander Bay at 19 degrees. Dry weather returns to the interior of the Northern Cape, a couple of degrees warmer across this area, 31 for Uppington, while De Aar and Colesberg will be warm at 25. Clear skies will dominate over the Free State once again. Welkom reaches a high of 30 degrees Celsius, and there's little change taking place over the northwest besides a slight increase in temperatures, many areas reaching above 30 in the afternoon. Similar conditions expected for Limpopo, 33 degrees as a high for Lephalale, and we're expecting temperatures in the 30s across the Lowveld. And it's going to be a cold morning for eMakazeni at 7 degrees in Mpumalanga, and we're expecting Standerton to reach a high of 29. Another very pleasant day expected in Gauteng, temperatures in the upper 20s in the afternoon, and it's going to be a mild morning, all areas above 10 degrees. Taking a look at the winds now, it will be gusty for Durban at 30 kilometers per hour, and we'll also see moderate winds in places on the Highveld. Friday is expected to see rain spreading along the south coast, perhaps even reaching Durban late in the evening. And on Saturday, it's going to be a cloudy, cool and wet day in KZN, and perhaps even a few thundershowers developing for Gauteng.